Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by preparing the phone so the update won't fail. First, plug in or confirm battery is 50% plus, because updates can stall and drain power. Once charged, back up photos, contacts, and any files to cloud or a PC so you can restore if needed. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi. Updates can be hundreds of MB. Now open Settings, tap Software Update, and choose Download and Install. This starts the device check and download process. Once the download begins, let it finish without turning off Wi-Fi or unplugging power. Interruptions can corrupt the file. You'll see release notes, read them quickly to know what changes, and if any settings will reset, then accept any prompts. The phone verifies the package. After verification, it prepares the update and schedules a restart. When the device reboots, it installs system files. This can take several minutes. After installation, the phone boots into the updated system and optimizes apps automatically. After the reboot, check settings about phone software info to confirm the new build and verify functionality. If the phone hangs during install, don't panic. Try a force restart by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds to recover. If issues persist, connect to a PC and use Samsung's Smart Switch to reinstall firmware or boot into recovery mode to wipe cache. This preserves data. One key tip: always keep a recent backup so you can restore if an update goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.